Hello and welcome back to my video. If you're new, my name is PAUROVAS. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transform your bra cup pattern into a foam cup pattern. I will also be teaching you some easy ways that you can incorporate the bone channeling to your project. All these will be based on the Rose Cafe Bustier dress, but like I said, you can apply it to other types of patterns that have cups.
Alright, we are ready to start. Just grab your cup pieces, your upper cup piece, your side cup piece, and of course your center cup piece. I have gone ahead and marked all the seam allowances in a little bit of a darker color so it's easy to identify. Go ahead and grab and look how it will look. So here is the wire. You will only keep the seams that touch the wire. And with that idea, you can use it in any other bra cup pattern. So I have gone ahead and marked with pink exactly the parts that you will be needing to cut off. Okay, so just grab your scissors, your paper scissors please, and go ahead and cut all those parts. So remember, just cut where the wire will not pass. And that's it. I also recommend that you label your new pattern. And this is how it looks. Cut it. And to sew them together, you just use a zigzag stitch. Push them together. Be careful that they don't overlap. Give it a tug and you will see some holes, but don't worry, you just go ahead and stitch them again. It's quite difficult to do it at the first time, so please be patient. And this is how it looks, all perfectly sewn together. And go ahead and just add the top piece. You can use a satin bias tape to really finish it up nicely, but if it's not gonna be visible, you don't have to worry with that. A good final tuck and ready.
Alright, so we have finished the cups, and if you're still watching and finding this useful, you can leave a like, comment and subscribe. I will leave you a sewing tip or a joke, you choose. I will leave it anyway, even if you don't subscribe, so don't worry. Next to the bone channeling.
Alright, so just go ahead and grab your pattern. The basic thing is that you will be extending the seam allowance. So I will be marking the parts in which I want to insert the boning, and just to remember what are the sides that I need to extend. I will be just adding 1 centimeter. If you want, you can add more. And just go ahead and cut the excess and you have your new pattern. I want to remind you that the centerpiece doesn't have seam allowance, so take that into consideration. Now I will show you with this fabric just because it's easier to see which is the wrong side and the right side. So usually you put right sides together and sew, but no. This time we are gonna put the wrong sides together first. And just go ahead, pin it together and make a straight stitch. Alright, this is how it looks. I sewed just ½ centimeter. This is how it looks on the wrong side and the right side. Go ahead and press open that seam. You can do it with your fingers or with an iron, however you like. Now go ahead and fold the fabric like this. Sometimes I struggle a little bit. You will be making another straight stitch, but wide enough so you can put your boning. So go ahead and stitch it together, and this is how it looks on the right side. It looks like a normal seam, and on the back side you will have like this little flap. So just to finish it off, you will be top stitching close that seam. Just go ahead and make that straight stitch. And this is how it looks finished. This is the outside and the inside. Thing to do is just add your boning and you are done. This is perfect for when you don't have a lining fabric or if you just want to give it a more high-end finish. The next method is to use the channeling that you use for the wire. You just go ahead and place it on top of your seam, center it, cut the excess off, make a straight stitch to place it. This is how it looks on the inside of, and this is how it looks on the outside. And just add your boning and you're done. Okay, the last method is when you have your fabric piece and your lining piece already together. You just go ahead and straight stitch together. Now you can just go ahead and finish your bustier. As you can see, the method that I prefer for the boning is just to add the channeling and stitching on top.
And we are done. I hope you found this information useful. If you did, please leave a like, comment and subscribe. If you have a suggestion for the next video, please leave it in the comments down below. I hope you liked the video. I love you. See you in the next one. Bye.